What's up, y'all? So excited to see you back for day 2. It's going to be a fiery one. We're going to target the arms, the abs, and of course, get a full body workout in as well. Can't wait for you to try it. So if you'd like to meet on the mat, let's begin. And if you don't have time for it now, just save it to your watch later and you can enjoy this practice anytime you like. Alrighty, y'all. We're going to start seated today, sitting up nice and tall. And right away, we're going to bring the right fingertips to the earth. Inhale, lift the left fingertips up towards the sky. Big deep breath in here. Exhale, maybe we come on down to this right forearm, left fingertips reach over towards the right. Big inhale in. And a nice long exhale out. Deep breath in. And exhale, come back to center nice and slow. We'll just take it to the other side now. Left fingertips to the earth, right fingertips reach up on the inhale. Big breath in. Exhale, maybe we come on down to this left forearm if it feels right in your body. See if through the power of the breath we can anchor that right hip down to the earth. Deep breath in. A long breath out. One more big breath in here. And exhale, come back through center. Now we'll send both fingertips up towards the sky. Reach it up. Exhale, twist to your left. Right palm comes to the left knee. Left fingertips reach back. Big deep breath in to sit up nice and tall. Exhale, maybe you turn the gaze past your left shoulder. Deep breath in. And exhale, come back through center. Once again, we'll inhale, reach the fingertips up high. Exhale, twist to the right, left palm to right knee, right fingertips reach back. Big deep breath in, sit up nice and tall. Exhale, turn your gaze over the right shoulder. Inhale in here. And exhale, come back through center. We'll come onto all fours now, nice and easy. Wrists right under your shoulders, knees right below the hip points. We'll press firmly into the tops of the feet and inhale, drop the belly, open the chest, look forward. Big old deep breath in here. And exhale, starting at the tailbone, round it through, tuck your chin. Draw your navel in and up. And mirroring this motion with the breath, inhale, look forward, drop the belly. Exhale, round it through. Inhale, reach forward. And exhale, cat pose. Getting some spinal flex in before we really get moving. Exhale, round it through. Inhale, drop the belly. Exhale, round it through. On your next inhale, we'll come back to tabletop position. You can walk the palms out just a bit. We're going to curl the toes under and lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog. And you'll know what to do here. Pedal it out. Wake up the feet, backs of the legs. Draw that navel in and up. Big deep breath in. And a nice easy breath out. We'll drop the heels to the earth now and go for a little change of perspective. We're going to walk the hands back towards the feet. So we're in a forward fold at the back of the mat. Find a gentle bend in the knees. You can sway a little side to side here. Stay connected to that big, beautiful breath of yours. And now for some cardio-inspired movement, we're going to walk the hands forward to a plank pose. Big, deep breath in. Exhale, crawl it back to your forward fold. Inhale, walk it out. Exhale, back we go. And you can pick up the pace here if you like, or move as nice and slow as you like. Little yoga for the brain as well. Breathing deep, stay connected to that big, deep breath. Alrighty, on your next one, when you arrive in plank, we'll stay here for a breath. Big, deep breath in. Exhale, we're gonna rock onto the outer edge of your right foot. Sole of the left foot will come to the earth, and inhale, sweep the left fingertips up high, side plank. Really find that lift in the hips, big deep breath in. And exhale, come back through plank, and we'll take it to the other side. Rocking onto the outer edge of your left foot, sole of the right foot will come to the earth for a kickstand. And inhale, reach your right fingertips up. Big old deep breath in. And exhale to release it. Plank pose, inhale in here. Exhale, lower down to the belly, nice and slow. We'll come onto the tops of the feet. Come on to down, press your pubic bone into the earth. We're going to slide the palms in line with the rib cage and inhale, rise up, baby cobra. Deep inhale in. Exhale to release. We'll do this twice more. Really squeeze the elbows into your side body as you inhale, lift it up. Exhale, let it go. Inhale, we rise. And exhale, crest down. We'll curl the toes under, lift your knees to tone your quads. Inhale in here, friends. Exhale, press it up to plank. Big deep breath in. And exhale, down dog. Pedal it out just a bit for a breath or two. And now we'll start to anchor through the left heel. Inhale, lift this right leg up high, three-legged dog. Draw your navel in and up, big deep breath in. Exhale, carve a line through space as you step it forward. We'll pivot on the back foot, front knee over front ankle, get light on the fingertips, and inhale, reach it up, warrior one. Big deep breath in here. Exhale, we'll swing the fingertips back, open through your chest. Big inhale in. Exhale, we'll bring the palms together to interlace. Draw your knuckles back. Should feel really good after all that arm work. Big deep breath in here. Exhale, let your heart center lead the way as you bring your belly towards the top of this right thigh. Humble warrior, draw the knuckles back, crown of the head fireballing forward. Inhale in. Exhale, stay here. Maybe we continue the journey, crown of the head reaching towards the earth, knuckles draw up and overhead. Big full breaths here. Inhale in. And a nice long breath out. Keep drawing those knuckles up. Big deep breath in. Exhale, nice and slow. Power through this front foot as we rise back up. Open your chest for one more big breath in. Exhale, we'll release the bind. Swim the fingertips up. Awesome work. Inhale in here. Exhale, open it up, warrior two for a breath. Big deep breath in our warrior two. And exhale, cartwheel it all the way down. We'll plant the palms, step it back, take a vinyasa, belly to cobra or chaturanga to up dog. Moving with the breath. We'll meet in downward facing dog. Now we're gonna anchor through the right heel. Inhale, lift this left leg up high. Deep breath in. Exhale, shift it forward, step it up. Get light on your fingertips and inhale, find your warrior one. Big deep breath in. Exhale, swing the hands back, open your chest, nice and proud. Inhale in. Exhale, bring the palms together, interlace the fingers and draw the knuckles back. Open through your chest, big deep breath. Exhale, letting your heart lead the way, belly towards the top of the left thigh, crown of the head reaching forward, and knuckles draw back. Deep breath in here. Stay here, or with the exhale, maybe you continue the journey. Crown of the head towards the earth, knuckles draw up towards the sky. Now keep breathing, stay connected to your breath. Big inhale in. And a long exhale out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. We'll enjoy one more big deep breath in here. Exhale nice and slow. We'll really draw up energy through that left foot. Inhale in for breath. Exhale, release the bind, reach the fingertips up. Should feel really good, letting that blood flow the opposite way. Big inhale. Exhale, open it up, warrior two. Deep breath in here. And exhale, cartwheel it down. Plant the palms, step it back, take your vinyasa. Moving with the breath. Exhale, downward facing dog. Woo, from here, we'll take a big deep breath in. Exhale, drop down to your knees. We'll bring the calves together, really together. Paint a wall with your yoga mat as you send the fingertips back for child's pose, Balasana. And we'll enjoy 3 big breaths here. Inhaling in. And long exhales out. Big deep breath in. And exhale, let something go. Enjoy this last big juicy breath in. And exhale it out. We'll start to bring the palms forward, lift off, and come through to a seat. So I know I said come through to a seat, but we're actually going to bring the palms together and come onto our backs now. We'll walk the feet up towards your sit bones. We're gonna interlace the hands. Thumbs will be pointing out. We're gonna bring them behind your neck. You can cradle your neck with your thumbs like a little hammock and start to inhale in here. Exhale, lift your head, neck, and shoulders. Waking up the abdominal wall. And now we're going to inhale to lower. Exhale to lift. Inhale, we lower. Exhale, lift it up. Keep going, working with the breath. Little baby crunches. Draw your navel down. Think about drawing all 4 corners of your abdominal wall in towards center. And breathe deep here. It helps, trust me. Keep the elbows nice and wide. Working hard. We're here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and on the 1, we'll release for a breath. Big deep breath in, and a nice long breath out. Big inhale in, and exhale. Start to rise back up. We'll bring the hands behind the neck once again. This time yogi bicycle. So we're going to extend the right leg, bring this left knee to the right elbow. Inhale to center, exhale to the other side. Inhale to center, exhale to your left. So working with the breath, work nice and slow. Take breaks as needed. Let's do 4 more on each side. All right. Awesome work, y'all. Release head and neck to the earth. We can hug the knees up into the chest, rock a bit side to side. Really great job. I know it's not easy stuff. Take a big deep breath in. And a nice cooling exhale out. Awesome work. Now we'll just rock our way back up to a seat and end where we started. I hope y'all enjoyed that. You might be feeling it tomorrow. That's okay. You know that's working. We'll bring the palms together, thumbs up to the third eye. The light in me recognizes and honors the light in you. From my heart to yours, namaste. Thanks a lot, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this practice. If you want to find more content like this, check out the app Yoga Plus. Lots of great stuff on there, and I hope to see you there.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.